Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I was just admiring my biking swag and my inside-out shirt. Hey, it's me, Biker Boy, and I'm here to teach you how to bike like a pro, or maybe like Biker Boy, if you're lucky. So to become a biking pro like myself, you need to get those biceps and triceps and muscles working, you know? You gotta get bike workouts. So here's bike workout number 1, right? This is the most simple one. You lie down on the floor, right? Okay. Be in between the wheel. Oh god, this is bad. This is a bad idea. Okay. How about we just like edit this part out?
Go.
So instead of that, we're gonna do this type of bike workout, the bike lifting. So the first thing you gotta do is put your bike in a similar position like this, right? You gotta get your hand underneath the framework and your other hand underneath the seat. Then you gotta lift it, and you do as many reps as you can. Yeah, I'm weak, so I can't do that. I'm just a pro biker. I was born a pro biker, so this is why I don't lift. So this is the second workout. You got to get your bike upside down in this position, right? And you got to position yourself on the back wheel, right? And you don't want to sit too heavily or the bike will tip over and you will die. You want to put your hands on the wheels and you want to crank that baby out. You know, you want to crank it until you can't crank it no more, which is never, because there's a bunch of gears and chains. And if you move it the other way, plus it's a pee-pee massage. You get to massage your pee-pee. As you can see, I'm not giving you the finger. I'm simply doing my famous finger workouts, you know? You gotta have muscular fingers if you're gonna ride a bike like this. And you can try it with both hands, you know? To do this, you must position your hand, one of your fingers that you prefer to work out on the hand brakes. And you gotta do this like that. It is not, you don't do it with 2 fingers, because then it becomes easier and they cancel each other out. You don't get double the exercise. It cancels each other out and you get none of the exercise. You gotta do one of the fingers. So after you've learned some of my pro exercising biker boy tips, I'm going to teach you one of my world famous stunts, the left leg on the frame while you are riding the bike. So the first step to doing the left leg on the frame while you're riding the bike is to kick it up, you know? You gotta yeehaw it, you know? You gotta get it moving. So you gotta start riding your bike, right? You gotta start riding it like the pro you are. And then when it gets enough momentum, you gotta put your left leg on the frame of the bike while you are riding. And then you can roll up to the women and be like, "Hey women," and then they'll have sex with you because it's so hot. Yeah. Pro tips. Subscribe!